button with the flex cable attaching to an extension cable which runs underneath this plate, which is physically part of the screen. Now, when disconnecting this, you want to be extremely cautious. Should you rip this home button flex cable, the phone is pretty much useless. You can put it back together and either your home button or your biometric scanner will not work, but you can never update the phone.
Well, there's good news and bad news. Here, look. Good news is that this is your correct screen, which now has become this. Already has fingerprints on it, but yep. And it works and everything. Okay. Ooh. You have to take the cover off. But the bad news is that I don't know what the fuck all these extra parts are.